back to the channel. Today I was thinking that after the big panic, the big FUD, the big dump, let's make a proper video. Let's analyze where we are heading, what we can expect in the next few days and weeks. And I will also tell you where I start to buy, but I already told you 2 videos ago. I'm gonna repeat myself. I am also gonna talk about Elrond and where the market cap went down, and you, yes, you who are holding it, you prevented it to go down any further low. I will show that. So let's start with Bitcoin. As you can see, I guess I don't have to show it to anybody else that Bitcoin down to 30,000. This big resistance, which is the Elon Musk and Tesla buy, just held it. It bounced back. But I want to talk what could happen. What happened? So first of all, I do think that this was a manipulation. This was a very big dump on the market of Bitcoins. Also a lot of news, a lot of fake news or partially fake news, like China is banning Bitcoin, India is again banning Bitcoin, Fed investigations on Tether and on Binance, Tesla tweets, so on. I don't have to we talked about this all week long. So what happened here is that Bitcoin started to dump, people started to panic sell, stop losses entered, and leverage, I mean a long squeeze somewhere here appeared and just liquidated a lot of people. And when I say a lot of people, I also mean a big amount, because $6 billion were liquidated in leverage trading. That is a very big squeeze, and it happened 2 months before as well. That is because a lot of people are leveraging, the asset is over leveraged and the long squeeze appears. So what is coming next? As you can see, we jumped back to around 40,000, and many people think that we will continue like this, and to be honest, I don't see that happening. I think we will still go down again to the 34,000 area from where another big buy is coming in, and it takes us above the neckline. Now, why I think that? For that, I will show you first a news. 15 hours ago, that was just after the big dump, US banks set to offer crypto fund to rich clients. They bought Bitcoin, okay? And not only Bitcoin, they also bought altcoins, and what we can expect is usually Ethereum, XRP maybe, Litecoin, Link, so on, the big market cap coins. Now, let's see what happened in Bitcoin market cap. As you can see, just before the dump, we were at around $750 billion, and in the dump, it went out on the window to 617 billion. That is $150 billion. And the funny thing is that it came right back. It just came back. So, and right now we are at 759, a bit lower, 747, which means that a lot of people still got a bit panicked and sold, or just used this big dump and pump and made some profit. Now, this for me, with this type of news, is obvious that it is a manipulation. Therefore, I don't think that we are in a bear market. This is the reason I don't think so. Yes, the dump was very, very big. The dump was huge for a bull market, because in the 2017, the biggest dump was around 42%, and now we had above 50. But we now have a lot of institutions, we have much more people, we have much more new people, and the panic is bigger, the pump and dump is bigger. Therefore, maybe it is something to be expected. Now, let's check Elrond, okay? And somebody commented to me on YouTube that how Elrond could dump to $75 if 60% or above 60% is staked. And I show you how. Right before the dump, the market cap was around $2.2 billion. At the bottom of the dump, it was around 1.35, and we came back to this level of 1.9. Now if we take here, let's say, an average, okay, because this was just Bitcoin following market dump, and we checked that 1.7 billion was still like a big support, so it just bounced back. That is around 60% of the total market cap, meaning that you who are holding Elrond, who staked Elrond, well, you deserve a badge. We had it. We didn't let Elrond to dump furthermore. And yes, you can say, you can comment that, hey, but some coins came back even higher. I mean, higher than Elrond in percentage. Yes, they did. Elrond, it's a special boy, but I'm okay with it because, as I said many times, I care about the project and I care about the people who are working on. Even if it's not as popular as you would think. Short shootout for the Max. Week 4 for Max is already appearing on Maiar Exchange. We still don't have a claim button, but I do think that it will come any day now. They will also announce on Twitter, therefore I will also retweet. I will make a video as fast as possible, but watch out, check the Maiar Exchange. I'm checking it every day just in case. Make sure that your Max token will not be burned. Okay, bear market. As I said before, because yesterday in the video I said that we could be in a bear market and we don't even know. And I would still stand by if we didn't have this big dump. Because if we go down like 20 and 10%, that's okay. But I think it shouldn't happen in one day. This big dump should not happen in one day. Now, of course, we are not at the all-time high, and for that we will need some time. Just get back to the chart. So right now I'm at the 4-hour chart just to make sure that we see this pattern here. Yes, what I am expecting here is no, not this one, sorry guys. Sorry, yeah, is something like this, and that is the short term. On the long term, if we go to the 1 day, some people say that it will become inverse head and shoulders, for which this is the shoulder, this is the head, and we will see another shoulder here, and when we break the neckline here, we will see a jump, which is something like this. And this 80, 70, 80, 86, 90k Bitcoin is, yeah, many people are talking about it for many weeks, maybe months. I intend to be a bit conservative. I don't like to just say it out loud that yeah, we are going to 90k, so on. But what we learned from this dump, what we really learned from this dump is that don't sell on the middle of the dump or at the end of the dump. It bounces back. When it's this hard, it bounces back. But the most important, even more important, is take profits. Now, if you are invested in Elrond and you are staked and you just say that, okay, I will hold it for a longer time, don't panic. It doesn't matter for you, because if not now, maybe the next year or in 2 years, the price not only will recover, it will go to the moon. That is what we expect. If you are a day trader, take profits. I am both. I am holding Bitcoin, I am holding Ethereum, I am holding Elrond. I'm not selling them. The only trade I made when I saw that Ethereum dropped 40% and Bitcoin only 20%, that was a bit before Elon, before Elon's tweet, I swapped some half an Ethereum to Bitcoin. Not a big sum of money, it doesn't matter, I was just trying it, let's see how it works out. After that I saw that Bitcoin dumped 20% and Ethereum 40%, and then I swapped that Bitcoin which I got back to Ethereum, and I made around, yeah, sorry, and I made about 0.15 Ethereum profit. That's not bad, but I'm holding it there for it goes up. It could be $400, $500, which for me is quite okay. That's for one swap is good. Now, with the day trading, I am day trading on Binance with altcoins, and when I started, of course, I had my capital and I was taking back my capital on and on again. I was also investing in some small coins. I don't want to talk about them because they are down like 60%. I don't care. I leave them for 2-3 years for the next bull run. I don't even want to touch them. But in Binance, my capital is almost zero. Okay, because I took it out and I invested in somewhere else, so on, so on. So right now in Binance, whether I am in 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, I am in profit. That is what matters. That is the important. If you're a holder, don't panic. If you are a trader, take profit. When to buy, when I think we should buy, I will start buying next week. Next week, it's the 20th. I told you before that I will start to buy on the 25th, and that is only based on historical data. I don't know whether Bitcoin will dump until then. Of course, it will adjust my plan. But if I see more or less a stagnation or a sideways, then probably I will reinvest all my day trading money, which I didn't invest right now because I bought a couple of coins in the dip, into altcoins, and I will start again the day trading. Yes, the profits, my portfolio is down 50% as for everybody else, but what is important, we have the coin. We don't lose in fiat currency until we don't sell. So I hope that I could further calm you down a bit. I again apologize for the quality of the video, but I do think that content is much more important. Like the video if you like the channel, and yeah, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I see you tomorrow.